Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first 360-degree AI marketing tech that lets you have your own 24/7 team of tireless telemarketers manage everything from 24/7 pre-selling to 24/7 customer support, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So, if you too are willing to profit from the hottest and widely untapped virtual agents industry and get 10x business growth without manually calling a single client yourself, without manually following up with your prospects, without trying to fix appointments and failing miserably, without working day and night finding and closing profitable leads, without paying huge every month for third-party platforms, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Omni AIs. Effortlessly automate calls with human-sounding AI business agents. Make outbound calls, book appointments, pre-qualify leads, take inbound calls, convert prospects, cold call leads, drive sales, lower costs, scale business, and much more for a low one-time price during the launch period. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, command. Number 2, sell. Number 3, profit. With Omni AIs, even newbies can create 100% human-like AI-powered tireless vocal agents ready to handle your customers on calls 24/7 in 60 seconds or less. Here are some amazing benefits you get with Omni AIs. Customize your agent actions like real human with simple instructions. Have your own 24/7 team of tireless telemarketers manage everything from 24/7 pre-selling to 24/7 customer support. Do follow-up with text, audio, and video messages with customers. Send emails, SMS, and book appointments in real time. Call and reach prospects in 170-plus languages globally with realistic human-like accent. Have 24/7 AI phone call center that manages and replies to your clients' needs like a human. Drastically reduce your business costs by saving thousands in salaries. Never worry about new cold calls. AI prospects finder included. Say goodbye to manual dialing and outdated lead generation methods. 0 installation hassles, 0 configuration, and 0 prior tech skills needed. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never been seen before. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. We're confident that this much value's never been offered at such a low price, and if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. But make it fast, as this is a limited-time offer. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, Omni AIs will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get Omni AIs for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.